Shave Wars. So for today's Sunday shave, I'm continuing my shave war between the Mach 3 and the Mach 3 Turbo. Day 6. Now on day 5, I noticed a slight drop off in the sharpness of the blades for both the Mach 3 and the Turbo. So today I'm going to make sure I get a good steam, open up the pores. I apologize for the noise if you're hearing the construction. They've been doing construction on my block for the last 2 years. So every morning my alarm clock is the banging and sweet sounds of diesel. Going with my favorite Gillette foam mousse. I like it because it's got a nice light fragrance. Smells good. And the foam itself is not as thick as like a foamy or a Barbasol, which I enjoy. Today we're going to start off on the strong side with the Turbo. Day 6. Nice. Blade still feels good. Good contact with the skin. No tugging, no pulling. That lube strip is still intact. And I have no fear of nicking and cutting myself. In the first of the series, I said that the Mach 3 was introduced in the late 80s. Correction, 1998. What's a decade between friends, right? Feels good, guys. A little bit of a grab under here, but still a very nice shave. So the first side of the face in the books, the Turbo still feels good, guys. Regular Mach 3, weak side. I'll make sure I wet that up. Much better than yesterday. So a little skin prep goes a long way. Make sure the face is steamed up nice and ready to receive the blade. And take your time. Now what I love about the Mach 3 is just the coverage, guys. That flat blade, the lubricate. I mean, when they released the Mach 3, guys, they should have stopped. Because who needs 5 blades and all the bells and whistles? Nice. You hear that blade doing the work? Nice. No weeping, no irritation, no nicks, no cuts, no tugging. You know, today I'm going to say there's comparable shaves, guys. I'll follow it up with some Duke Cannon aftershave bomb. Ice cold. Menthol smell with some icy cold heat.
I'll see you clouds tomorrow.
Shave Wars.